quickly I will show how to generate the paychecks immediately. Okay, settlement configuration. So once we successfully complete all the 3 steps, the next step is generate the paychecks. Generate the paychecks is nothing but whosoever employees part of that pay group, we are going to generate the paycheck along with the pay slip. So once those are generated, the payroll admin will download the PDF, print the PDF, and they will post those to the employees. Okay, or they will hand over to the employees. Soft copy also employees can download from Workday application. How to do that, we will discuss today. So let me explain again the same paycheck generation. Once we complete the 3 steps, access the task, settlement, run. Oh, this guy doesn't have access. So I'm logging into the Betty Lou. She has access and she is a payroll coordinator. Now I logged into Betty Lou account to initiate the settlement run because she has settlement initiator access. When whosoever wants to initiate settlement run, or let me put it this way, settlement run, we have a Workday delivered security group. So we have Workday delivered security group, a user-based security group called settlement administrator. So this security group must be assigned to the employee, whosoever wants to initiate this settlement run. How can I confirm this group is available to the employee or not? Simple. Go to the worker profile, select on the worker, navigate to the employee view profile. Then navigate to the employee view profile, then select the worker related actions. Scroll down to the security profile. Here you have an option, assign user-based groups. And please check whether this person has that access or not. It's a Workday delivered group. Settlement administrator group is already available. Integration is different. This we have to check. If this is not available, employee cannot access the task called run settlement. Employee cannot access or not generate paychecks. Okay, make sure this should be assigned to the worker. And is a Workday delivered user-based security group. And also please go through the comments or help text provided by Workday. Okay, it's like a super user access. Any settlements a person can initiate. Once you confirm this group has been already assigned, then please proceed to the task, create settlement run. Create settlement run, access this task. So for which company you are gonna initiate the settlement run? Global Modern USA company. Okay, and then you can give a free currency will be defaulted from the company because at company level we will maintain the currency. So from there it will be defaulted. Okay, then initiate settlement. I mean request. Give the request name settlement run. Something like Okay. When you would like to initiate the settlement run. Okay. It can be current, past, or future date. You can select. So here, select filters. Settlement run is nothing but sending amounts to the vendors, sending amounts to the banks, generating paychecks for the payroll. So we have supply chain management, we have Workday financials, we may have suppliers, vendors. Okay. Normally this task has to access by the finance people. So select the auto select filters, system Workday delivered filters. Now we will talk about only payroll related. Here you have two options, all available pay groups, all available pay group with exceptions. What is the difference between these two? First one, all available pay groups. If you select this, you can see all the pay groups which completed the last step. Run pay complete step has been completed, and the next step is settlement run. Those you can access from all available pay groups. If you select all available pay group exceptions, which means same again, run pay complete must be completed with some errors, with some exclusions. Employees might be excluded because of errors. Still, you want to initiate settlement run, you can select this one with exceptions. Okay. There is zero errors, no errors at all. You can go with all available pay groups. If there is some errors, but still you have marked the payroll is completed because of the time limit, time constraints, then you can select this one, ma'am. Okay, let's say all 54 employees will successfully run the payroll. Select all available pay groups. Okay. And then here you have include payments on behalf of other companies is not applicable for us. Okay. Because these are financial supply chain management. We are dealing with pay groups and payroll. We are going to send only on the current company. Not applicable. Ignore. Exclude negative payments. If any employee is on sabbatical leave and the pay is 0, no need to generate the paycheck. No need to generate the payslip for that employee. Sorry, payslip should be generated. Paycheck no need to generate, and file also positive file no need to generate because there is no amount you are depositing in the bank. Then there is no meaning of generating. So select this checkbox. Okay, which means if any employee has 0 amount as a net, no paycheck will be generated. If any employee 0 amount is net equal to 0, no file will be generated. Okay. Select okay. So any questions? Okay. After you selecting this, we are in the settlement run page. By any chance, if you want to cancel the settlement run, select this settlement run related actions, the magnifier, settlement run, you have an option to cancel, or if you want to change the filters, you can edit and change the filters. Okay. While during your practice, I request please give a try. Now go to the add, select this one, add pay groups, scroll down. For which pay period you're going to initiate the settlement? Semi-monthly 1/1/2019. Pay group by default will be available. Once you select the pay, okay, what happened? Just a second. Looks like we already generated yesterday. We already generated. No pay group is pending. Just a second. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me rerun the payroll for another pay period. Because we already ran the, generated the paychecks yesterday. So let me go back. I will cancel this process.
Yeah.
So I'm canceling the process. Now let me run all the 3 steps for one pay group quickly. Pay calculation for pay group. Monthly corporate. Next paper is this. Pay group details, corporate, semi-monthly, smart calc. Okay, total 54 employees. Let's see, refresh. 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 Perfect. Total 54 employees, no employees has errors, all good. Proceed to the next step. Run pay accounting. Actually, it has to run by financial team, but let's run from our side. Okay. For example, run pay calculation is scheduled today at 7 a.m. Run pay accounting should be scheduled at 8 a.m. after 60 minutes. Run pay completion should be scheduled at 9 a.m. Like as per the workday process, the maximum payroll process will be take 1 hour of time. In fact, it will be quick and fast. It will be done in 5 minutes, but the maximum time it will take an hour, but it won't take in real time. Okay, quickly I'll reinitiate. Semi-monthly pay groups. On cycles. Okay. Refresh. Refresh. No errors. Last step. Run pay complete. Confirm. Okay. Refresh. Refresh. Done. Now let's go for settlement. Create settlement run. Global mode. USA company. XYZ settlement. Let's select filters. Yeah, we'll select filters here. Okay. Inside the page here. Okay. Pay groups. The pay period must be available here. The one we completed. Semi-monthly is available. Let's see the pay group. Completed pay group details. Perfect. Yeah. By any chance, if you're not seeing the pay group, which means you already initiate the paycheck generations, or the payroll has not been completed, this third step. If you're able to see this pay period and pay group here, which means the third step is successfully completed. This is the inbuilt validation Workday. Without completing this step, these two values won't be available here. Once you select the pay period and parent group, please select such. Once you select such, it will fetch the company pay period pay group details here. Total payroll payment counts and total amount processing outbound amount total it will display here. Let's see. Initiate search. Okay, so we find why it is not showing any amount. Okay, payroll payment summary total this much. So here is the question. We have 54 employees. How come it's showing 73? There might be prior pay periods. This is the tenant which we are using is a practice tenant. There might be some disturbed data. It's gonna fetch all the pending amounts also. Select the checkbox. Just a second. Sorry. Select the checkbox. Okay. We are going to initiate the process. Total this amount is going to be paid to all the employees. Again, you can see in the summary. Process. Refresh until the process is complete. Perfect. Yeah. Check file, bank deposit file. 4 checks we are going to generate. Total 69 employees. File has been generated, direct file. You can see here process history also. Once this task is completed, go to the initiator. Betty Lou has initiated the settlement run, right? She must receive a task in her inbox to print the paychecks. Okay. Here, settlement run number, SR number 4772. This is Workday generated automatically reference ID. This is the payment group, organization, currency. Total number 4 employees opt-in for check. Maximum check number used is 6. Next check number is going to be print as 7. To be honest, these numbers I am also unclear because this is coming from financials. Now, would you like to print all the checks? Select this. Would you like to pick the checks which needs to be print manually? Select this one. Out of 4, you want to print only 1 or 2? Select here. Everything, I mean, all the 4 checks you want to print, select here. Okay. You refresh. 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 Yeah, 100% completed. Check 7, check 8, check 9, 10. Check number, check 7 is 2742 US dollars. Okay, you can see the payee names. Also, you see the bank file. Integration team will create this total amount. They're going to send this as an invoice. Go select this PDF file. So here you can see the company logo, check print number, total amount going to be processed. Here you can see the payslip details. Now the company will be print this payslip, wrap it up in a cover envelope, send it to the employee address or hand over to the employee. We can also download, or this is for one employee, Host Engine. If you would like to see another employee, select David Spicer, like this. Download if you want a copy, print if you would like to a copy. Okay. Now one of the question our friend asked yesterday. Once it generated, can we send out a copy to an employee? Answer is yes, we can send out a copy to an employee. By default, it is system behavior. After generating the paychecks by the payroll admin, employees, Austin Keith Burns, let's select this guy. Disable this one. Okay, let me proxy to the worker. Here we have a drive. We don't have access drive. Here we have a drive. Okay. So in this drive, he will receive a copy. He will receive a copy. I believe to view the copy, we have to log in directly into the worker account. With proxy is not possible. Ma'am, after asking the question, I spent some time in the community to understand what is the gap or challenge. So what Workday says, if you want to see the copy, first you have to enable a feature called what is that? Drive is nothing but if you would like to share any documents to the employee, so we have a drive that needs to be enabled, and in that drive a copy, something similar we get it, right? This count the employee particular paycheck copy will receive it into the employee drive. Here it will be available, but though it is shared with the drive, you cannot view through the proxy. You have to reset this employee password. Our original employee needs to be logged in so that the employee only can see. Okay. In production, employee can see directly in the my reports. I'm sorry, W drive. As for testing, if in sandbox and all, you have to reset the employee password or implementation password, log in through the employee account, you are able to see that. Now let me show the security side. Let me also show you security side. Why employee don't have opt-in? Okay, this is the employee visibility, ma'am. Sorry, it's working only. No security issues required. But copy will receive in the drive. But if employee would like to download, they can view the access here. However, let me explain where to control this option. Access the task domain. I'm gonna explain in detail in our security session. Security policies for functional area. Sorry, let me do stop proxy. He doesn't have access. Access the task. Start proxy. Oh, sorry. Domain security policies for functional area. Functional area will be payroll core, core payroll. If possible, just move this line, something like this. You can hold here and just move this to see the complete information. Scroll down by selecting this tab, payslip, payroll docs, documents, self-service, payroll. Here, we will provide employee view or modify access. This domain is completely suspended now. Other documents could be also a reason. We should enable security wise. We cannot do changes in the tenant because entire tenant is going to impact. Currently, it's suspended. So for testing phase, we have to enable. And if you want to restrict the employees not supposed to print, here you have a control. If you can remove the security group, employee cannot print. It's a kind of page where you can control who can download, who cannot. Okay. And another thing is, it's already enabled. Something like this will be available. Okay, the admin can access from that. So I want to see whether it's restricted. Here they have to grant employee self-service. Then employee is able to see the drive and the document will be available here. It has been suspended. One security policy, another one is security permission has not been granted. So we are not supposed to do the change, but just want to highlight where is the gap.